Hello everyone, my name is Riya Chandok. As we all know the importance of copy correction, we all know that if we don't check the copies of the students regularly, they make blunders. They do such mistakes, they do not complete their work, and after that when the time for the test or the exam come, they say मैम हमने तो किया ही नहीं या मैम हमारी कॉपी में तो यही लिखा हुआ है. So copy correction is very important in teaching. So today I will show you that how I did the copy correction work sitting at my home. I did the copy correction online. So now I transfer my screen to my mobile phone and will show you that how I did my copy correction online. So first of all, I dropped a message in the class group mentioning copy correction time. I just wrote a simple message that I hope you all are doing your work regularly. Now it's time to see that how many of you completed your work. Then I asked them for their history chapters. So today send me your history chapters. Few copies I have already examined. Still, if you have not done your work, you have a day until evening. Send all your work. Please take care that the pictures are clearly visible. Today send me chapter 2 and chapter 3 of history. Then after that I started receiving the copies of students, and the whole day my phone was buzzing like anything. Every second a message popped up in my phone. So first I let all the message to be received and I started the correction work the next day. Then simple, I opened each child chat, downloaded the pictures, read each and every answer and started pointing. Like here in this page, I found the spelling of Gurjar Pratihar wrong. The student, instead of writing the Gurjar, he has written the Gujarat. So I mentioned the same and replied with the image. I wrote it is not Gujarat, it is Gurjar. Then I sent the message. Then I again found some mistake. The student has not written the full name of Rajendra Chola. He had just written Rajendra. So I wrote the full name and just sent it. After that again I found some mistake. Here the spelling of Buddhism was wrong. The Then I wrote the wrong spelling first and put a cross against it, and then I wrote the right spelling so that he may know that where he is wrong. Then again I found some mistake. Here the student has written revised by patronage. Even it was not revised by patronage, it was revived by patronage. So I made the correction again and sent first the wrong one and then the correct thing to the student with the image, so that he may correct all the things which he has done wrong. So again he has found, I have found the spelling of Mehmood wrong. Then again I have to reply the same. I opened other child's window, and here I found that he has written the spelling of dynasty incorrect, so I corrected. Again he has written the spelling of Tughlaqs incorrect, so first I wrote the incorrect spelling and then after that the correct spelling, so that he may know that what are his mistakes, and I've always replied with the image. Here again I found more mistake. Instead of major he has written major, and the spelling of yellows was wrong. So first I mentioned the wrong spelling and then the correct spelling and then send it the reply along with the image in which he has written the wrong one. Again here the spelling of Gwalior was wrong. So first I wrote the wrong spelling and then the correct one. In this way I just kept on correcting the mistakes of the students, and then like here the spelling of order was incorrect. So while collecting their copies, I had also given important instructions to them like do neat work, improve your mistakes, write carefully from book, improve your spelling mistakes, write questions with black pen, etc. etc. In this way, I had to correct around 30 copies. Some children might have not sent it also, and it took me almost 25 to 30 minutes to correct one copy when the student had sent it me 2 chapters. So after the correction work was over, my phone memory was almost full. So the next task was to delete all the digital copies from my phone which I've received from the students and clear my phone memory. So it really took me long to correct all the digital copies, and my eyes were paining like anything. But anyway, I have to do it. After all, it was a teacher's task. Also, I made sure that my phone's battery was fully charged. I also wore my anti glare glasses and finally started the copy correction. And Here I have selected around 333 items and then deleted. Still the items were not at all deleted. Again I have to select more items, and again I found more than 500 to 600 images. That I also put a message in the class group showing my anger and motivating students to do better work in future. So these are the points. So this was my experience of online copy correction. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.